Hi and welcome to another spare part description video by Cluster Repairs UK, the UK's home for all your instrument cluster repairs and parts. Today we're showcasing the spare part display screen used inside the Mercedes W222 S-Class instrument cluster. This is the version of the instrument cluster with the white square block at the rear. These displays are known to develop a few common faults over time, including cracked or physically damaged screens, displays that turn completely white or show distorted colours, screens that randomly switch on and off, missing segments or lines running through the image. This replacement part is exactly what's needed to restore your instrument cluster to full working order. Here you can see a display which is very poorly lit and has missing segments. We only supply genuine high-quality components, sourced directly from authorised European distributors, and every part comes with a 12-month warranty. And here's the result after using a brand new original screen. Clear, crisp, and working just like new. This part is available for professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts alike. And with every purchase, you'll get 14 days of free access to our detailed, step-by-step video tutorial. This is a trade-level, in-depth guide, professionally filmed to walk you through the full repair process with confidence. So whether you're in the trade or tackling it yourself, you can achieve a clean, professional result. With 2 UK locations and UK-based customer service, you can purchase our parts with complete confidence. Thanks for watching, and all the best with your repair.